What's up, debutantes? Welcome back to Cystic Arts. I'm Jess, and we have our Sketchbox for, what is this, March? Who knows? So hopefully I don't delete this video before I have a chance to upload it. I have not opened this yet, so I will be just as surprised as you when we see what's in here. So let's just get right into it. If you don't remember, Sketchbox is a monthly subscription service for art supplies. There's, what the heck? There's a couple different plans you can get. You can get like the basic plan or the premium plan. I have the premium plan, which is $35 a month. And of course, links will be down below for you guys. Last month's box was all about colored pencils. So you open it up and that's what it looks like. And you get a little card that has everything in there. And then this is the featured art of the month. The artist is Khloe Shaver, who I think was the same artist as last month. Let me see. Yes. And so this is the art that she did with this box. So looks like we probably have some calligraphy stuff in here, which is really cool because I've been wanting to learn how to do that. So first we have this is a set of 5 pens, Emmett, so yeah, so these are calligraphy pens, I'm guessing. This is another pen. What is Kuretake Zig Fudagokochi extra fine brush pen for calligraphy and lettering. I'm sure I butchered that pronunciation. It's Japanese. So we have a bunch of other pens. This is the sticker of the month. Very cool. Okay. Looks like we have a set of pens here. 4 different colors of Karen brush marker, or 3 colors of brush marker pens and a blender. It says here they're a favorite of hand lettering artists all over the globe. So that's very cool. And then we have a couple of Tombow brush pens. And it looks like they are dual-ended. So you've got this end and then like a fine end. 2 different colors of those. So let's grab some paper and just play around a little bit. So this is just some multimedia art paper that I have here. And I'm just gonna go down the list from the card. So the card starts off with the Emmett pens. Oh, cool, and it has this little stand here. I like that a lot. So let's just start off. Looks like this might be like a berry color. These are really fine tipped pens. So it writes nice and smooth. It just writes pretty much like any old marker I've ever used. It says here the caps are really hard to get off. So this is like a kind of a lilac purple color. It says on the card here, these are meticulously designed for durability and smooth lettering with a sleek white barrel and durable tip that doesn't bend or split, ensuring consistent line width at any angle or pressure. We opted for a muted set so you could add details and accents to your letters this month. So yeah, these would be good since they're so fine tipped to, you know, maybe like do some little drawings or something inside if you're doing hand lettering, doing some outlines maybe, things like that. This is kind of a cool like dark teal color. And then we have kind of a lime green, yellow green shade. And then kind of just a yellow with just like a hint of green. So this is, oops, this is the Emmett markers. I do like the colors. And I can definitely see myself doing, like once I kind of figure out this whole hand lettering calligraphy thing, doing some detail work with these. So put those away. And then next on the list is the Tombow dual tipped pens. So 2 different shades of blue. I'm going to start with the brush end. And fine end. The fine end is just kind of a typical tip that you would find on any marker, but the brush end is a little bit flexible to get like different widths in your strokes. And then, ooh, this one's really pale. I can't spell Khloe today. That's a really pale blue. It's pretty though. It's just, I don't even know if you'll be able to see it really on camera. So this is the Tombow brush pens. They had a nice feel to them. Like I said, I don't really know how to use them correctly at this point. It's something I want to learn and learn along the way while I'm filming. So that if any of you guys are interested in calligraphy and hand lettering, it's something we can learn together. And this next one is this Japanese pen that I'm not gonna try to pronounce again and just ruin it. Get into this package. So it says here, this pen features an extra fine brush tip that works great for calligraphy and lettering. It has a water-based black ink that is perfect for outlining your letters or to create 3D effects. So, pretty fine tip. Oh, very fine. When you write with it, it's very, very fine. So yeah, this would be something good for outlining, doing like detail work. Got a nice feel to it. You can use it kind of flatter to make a little bit of a more bold line. So this is the marker, Japanese marker. Next we have these here, the Karen brush markers. So this is a blender. It has no pigment in it. So let's just play with the colors first. It says here, these markers have been making a splash in the art community. They're a favorite of hand lettering artists all over the globe. We love them for their pliable and resilient tip. We chose almond, copper brown, and a neutral gray so you could add shadows to your letters. And we included a blender pen so you could blend across these shades to create gradients. So let's just, that's the gray. And I'm sure if you go over it, yeah, if you go over it multiple times, it'll be a little bit darker. So this is almond, just a yellow, kind of a pale yellow. But again, you can go over it, do more than one coat to make it a little bit darker. And then copper brown. So let's see about some blending with these. So yeah, you can see how the blender, it almost acts kind of like water if you're doing watercolor. It thins out that pigment so you can blend it into other stuff. The tip of this is picking up that copper brown quite a bit though. So I guess like if you wanted to clean it off, you just have to scribble with it over here some. Pretty cool. Again, something I need to learn how to use properly. And then this is one more Karen brush marker in red gold. So this says it's a metallic paint pigment. Perfect for covering both black and white surfaces, so bust out your January supplies, which we don't have. Because I didn't get that box. They are also produced with liquid ink technology, which allows you to use every bit of paint in the marker. So that's cool. Pretty bold, but I don't really get any metallic off of this. Okay, I grabbed a sheet of black paper to see how this would look over black. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see it. It does show up nicely. I'm not getting really metallic out of this though. It looks pretty flat to me. But I think I might like these in some different colors though, because it does lay down the pigment really nicely, very smooth and really saturated. So I think those would be fun to play with. So here is some samples of everything that came in this month's box. So there you have it for this month's Sketchbox, you guys. I'm really looking forward to playing with these and learning how to actually use them correctly. And I will be doing that right along with you guys. So you can look forward to some hand lettering and calligraphy videos in the future. I don't know when I'm going to get to those exactly yet, just because right now with the COVID-19 and everybody pretty much being in lockdown, I want to do more kid videos, so I'm kind of putting off some of the other stuff that I have planned, but I want to help you guys out who have kids, give you some ideas to help keep them entertained while everybody's at home. So I hope you guys really like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.